sign into Noodletools using your school Google account. Once you're in the project screen, you're going to start a new project, name the project, select MLA and junior level citations. Next, you're going to be placed in this dashboard screen. We're going to go right to sources. Click new source, and these are your options. The first source we're going to cite is a website, a web page on a website. This is the article on a web page that we are going to cite. And here's all the information we have available to us. So the first thing we need is the URL. We're going to enter the URL and any other information that we can gather from the web page. Because the name of the website and the publisher are the same, we're going to leave the publisher field blank. Click Save. And here's the citation for your web page. The next citation will be a database citation, and we're going to click Original Content, and we're going to use the Quick Copy Paste option, and that's going to allow us to take the citation right from the database article. So we're going to copy the MLA citation from the article and paste it right into this space here. Click Save. And now you have your database citation. The next citation is going to be a book. So we're going to click Printer in Hand and Book. We're going to put in the ISBN number of the book, and that is a 10 or 13 digit number that exists on the label of the back of a book. Once we hit search, Noodletools will find the book. You can select it and import that information. Now we can edit as necessary. If you wanted to cite a chapter or section of a book with a separate author, you can do that here by clicking that drop down that says chapter or section. If not, we can just leave it as is, click Save, and that's the citation for our book. Once we're done, we're going to click Print or Export and export to Google Docs. And that will generate a Google Doc with our completed and correctly formatted works cited.